Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. I'm Anna. How are you guys? I think most of you have just said, I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, that's right. But let's learn some other ways to respond to this question. Number 1, you can say, I'm excited. Yeah, you say I'm excited when you are looking forward to something new, something different. And in this way, you say, I'm excited. If there is something wrong and people ask you, hey, how are you? You can say, I've been better. Means you had better days. Today is not really good. Next one is to say, I'm stressed out, which means you don't have time. You're in a hurry. You have a lot to do. And people tell you, hey, how are you? I'm stressed out. But when there is a problem, when you have to handle some difficult situations, how to answer for this question, how are you? You can just say, I'm worried. You're worried about the problem, about the situation. So it's okay to say, I'm worried. Let's imagine you are running with papers, no time, lots of job to do. And your friend says, hey, hi, how are you? You really can say, I'm busy. I'm really busy. And finally, we can say, oh, I'm frustrated. Frustrated means sad. When you didn't meet your expectations, you can say, I'm frustrated. So next time when people ask you, how are you? You can choose any of these ways to say. So be excited and never stressed out. And use these phrases in real life. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And bye!